imagine that the exponent to is increasing to 5, to 10, to 20, to 30. You have to expand 20 times. And that is quite a tedious work to do. So we are saying that how then do you expand binomials without working out what we have done? So we said you can use what we call the Pascal's triangle to produce the coefficients. So you watch here, once it is squared, a plus b squared, you have 3 terms. So if not for anything, you know that the number of terms that you have for expansion should always be the exponent plus 1. So whilst the exponent is 2, you have 3 terms if you expand. If the exponent is 3, you have 4 terms if you expand. If the exponent is 4, you have 5 terms if you expand, and so on and so forth. Now, all of these terms you have in expansion have coefficients, the numbers in front of them. So realize that a squared has a number 1 in front of it, 2ab has a number 2 in front of it, b squared has a number 1 in front of it. What Pascal's triangle does is that it helps us to be able to get the coefficients of each of the terms. So how does Pascal's triangle work? Pascal's triangle works like that. You just write one, like a triangle. You have 1, 1. You have 1, 2, 1. You add. So you have the one starting and the one ending. The many ones you add the numbers. So if you add 2 and 3, 2 and 1, you have 3 here. These 2 and 1, you have 3 again here. That gives you 1, 3, 3, 1. The next one should start. 3 plus 1 is also what? 4. 3 plus 3 is also 6. 3 plus 1 is also 4. Then 1 will end again. The next is 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 4 plus 6 is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. 4 plus 1 is 5. Then the next is also 1. So you see that once we are increasing, we are having the number of terms, the coefficients that we need. So the first one here, 1, means if our a plus b or the binomial is raised to the power 0, you have just 1 term, and the coefficient of that 1 term is 1. If it is a plus b to the power 1, you have 2 terms, and these 2 terms, their coefficients will be 1 and 1. If you have a plus b to the power 2, you have 3 terms, and these 3 terms, their coefficients will be 1, 2, and 1. Do you get it?